So as you can see, I'm back. I didn't go away. I didn't go away anywhere, but you know what I mean. This channel, it's going to be changing slightly. More photography-ish. The reason for that is because although I started this channel with a mind to reviewing tech, primarily mobile devices, they're expensive, really expensive, and I can't justify spending £500, £600, £700, £800 on something that I'm possibly not going to use because I don't like it, or having to sell another phone because I do like it. You know what I mean. So as I've got into this channel and as I've got into the YouTube kind of thing, my interest has grown or regrown in photography and videography. I've been interested in photography and videography since I was around about 18, 19. I'm old now. Yeah, 56 this year. No, I'm not old. I'm not old. And my interest has regrown, and I love photography and videography to the point where I've invested some more money, quite a bit of money, in more gear. Now what I'm currently shooting this on is something I bought primarily as what was going to be my main shooter. So what I'm shooting this on now is a Canon EOS M3. It's a mirrorless camera, and it's been great. It's great. It's a good little camera that I know a lot of vloggers use because it's got a flip-up screen. So you can see it's not a bad little bit of kit, but it's pretty limited in as much as in bright daylight you can't really see what you're doing on that screen if you're going to be using it as a camera rather than a medium for video. So I purchased something else. Yeah, this. So this is the Canon 6D Mark II. I figured if it's good enough for Peter McKinnon and Casey Neistat and Matty Hapoya and many others, it's pretty good enough for me. And it's brilliant. It's really good. And I'm enjoying using it. I'm enjoying getting back into photography a lot more than videography. But that'll grow. What I'm trying to get across to you guys is this channel's going to change. It's not going to be so much of a review in tech. It's going to be more based around photography. Still, you know, my passion of running and life in general. I will have a rant from time to time, somewhere to vent. I'm still not being paid by YouTube because I've only got this many followers. Please subscribe. Please, you know, hit the like and the bell thing. Hit the subscribe down there somewhere. Yeah, down there. It's I think it's down there. Yeah, so just a bit of an update. I shall see you very soon with I have a review. I'm saying I'm not going to be reviewing much. I have a review coming up of a drone which a friend has lent me to review. It's nuts, absolutely crazy, but great fun, and I shall be bringing that to you in about the next fortnight. See you soon.